Force acting on a particle is given as a function of position x is equal to minus kx plus ax cube, where k and a are positive constants. For x equal or greater than 0, choose the right graph of potential energy versus position x. F is equal to minus du by dx is equal to minus kx plus ax cube. From this, if x is 0, then f is 0. It means slope of u versus x is 0. Slope of u versus x is du by dx, that is 0. Here at x is equal to 0, slope is 0. That is possible in second and fourth option only. Now by simplification, du is equal to kx dx minus ax cube dx. Taking integration both sides, limit 0 to x, 0 to x, 0 to u. So integration of du is u. When x is 0, suppose u is 0, and when x is equal to x, potential energy suppose u, then u as a function of x is equal to k. Integration x square by 2, here integration x raised to 4 upon 4, limit 0 to x. So u as a function of x is half kx square minus 1 by 4 ax raised to 4. Now from this formula, when x is 0, u is 0. Here that is not possible in third graph. Here x is 0, u is 0. In these two also x is 0, u is 0. So right answer is either second option or fourth option. Now second value of x. When u is 0, then 0 is equal to half kx square minus 1 by 4 ax raised to 4. So half kx square is equal to 1 by 4 ax raised to 4. By simplification, x is equal to root 2k by a. It means when x is root 2k by a, potential energy is 0. And that is possible in this graph. See here, at this point, suppose x is equal to root 2k by a, and here potential energy is 0. When x is greater than root 2k by a, suppose x is root 3k by a, it means x square is equal to 3k by a, then what is the value of u? Substitute here value of x square, half k, x square is 3k by a, x raised to 4 is 9k square upon s square. By simplification, it is 3k square upon 2a minus 9k square upon 4a. And this answer is negative, less than 0. It means when x greater than root 2k by a, u is negative, and that is possible in fourth option only. So answer is option 4. Thank you.